If you're looking for a new desk or you want to set up a workstation at home, builders have a wide range of desks perfect for you. They're quality, affordable, and best of all, they're flat pack, so they're really easy for you to get yours home. Now this is the HK Cres wall desk. Comes in a range of colors and it has a compact wall-mounted design. Assembly is really easy. All you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver and the supplied hex wrench. Then to mount it, you'll need a hammer drill with a 6mm masonry bit, a level to make sure it's straight, and a hammer to knock in your anchors. Let me show you how. First, we need to follow the diagram and install the hardware. So cam screws into the 5mm holes, cam locks in the 15mm holes, and the wooden dowels go into the 8mm holes. Start by securing panel 5 and 6 to the bottom shelf 2. Use the director screws and hex wrench to fasten. Next we can secure the side panel labeled 3 to the shelf using the cam locks. Remember the arrow on the cam lock needs to be pointing in the direction of the cam screw holes. Then turn it clockwise with your screwdriver to lock the cam screw in place. Now slot in the backing board 7 before closing it off with the other side, which is panel 4, and lock the cam screws. Then line up the top panel with the dowels and cam screws and lock that into place. Now to mount our desk to the wall. A good height for a desk is around 700mm off the ground. Hold the desk up on the wall using your spirit level to make sure it's straight. Then mark through the pre-drilled holes on the wall. Now using your hammer drill, drill the 3 holes in the wall. Place the 3 wall anchors through the holes and into the wall and secure. Use the supplied vinyl stickers to hide all the screw holes. So easy to assemble, leaving you with the perfect compact workstation. Now this is just one of the flat pack desks available at Builders, in-store or online at builders.co.za. If you want more videos like this, check out the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.